guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, in today's video we're gonna discuss that how much time it takes to reach till B2 level. Yes guys, a lot of questions I have received for the same. So here I am with a detailed video that how much time exactly B2 level of German takes. I hope you're gonna love this video. If you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation. Guys, whatever you can think around German, German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So why to waste time? Let's get into this video. Let's go.
How long does it take to reach B2 level of German language? Some people say that you can reach B2 German in 6 months, others struggles for 4 years and still feel stuck at B1. So what's the truth then? Today I'll show you the exact number of hours, real timelines, study strategies, mistakes and a complete roadmap to reach B2 in the fastest realistic way. So let's start with the video. Let's first understand what B2 level actually means. So B2 is not just about speaking good German, it's about listening. Means you should understand news, then follow long conversations and catch opinions and arguments. Then talking about speaking, so you should speak long phrases without any pause. You should argue your points logically and use connectors like deshalb, trotzdem, außerdem and zweiteilige Konnektoren as well. Then for reading, you must understand articles, emails, contracts and university level text. Then for writing, you should know how to write formal emails, then opinion essays which are more than 250 words and writing about complaints, requests and applications. So B2 is so much more than just expressing yourself. Number of hours which require for each level. So this is based on the Goethe Institute and by CEFR. For A1 level you need somewhere around 150 to 180 hours. For A2 you need 180 to 200 hours. For B1 you need 200 to 250 hours and for B2 you need 250 to 300 hours. That means total of 600 to 750 hours you need, and this is not a calendar timing, this is a real learning hours. Timeline by lifestyle. The case one is if you are a college or a school student, so in this case you can give minimum of 1 hour. That means to complete 700 hours you need 2 years. Case 2 is if you are a working professional, then you can give 30 minutes per day, which means to complete 700 hours you need somewhere around 3.5 years. And if you are a serious learner, then you should give 2 hours per day, which means for completing B2 from 8.1 you need 11 to 14 months. And the case 4 is immersion. So in the case of immersion you need to give 4 hours per day, which means you will still need 4 to 6 months to complete this. The most important question, why most people get stuck at A1? This is the best reality check, so please stay tuned and listen to this. People, what they usually do, they memorize grammar but they don't speak. They watch reels instead of long content and they watch videos which are not of use. And the most important thing, they avoid writing. If you are going to do all these, you are definitely going to stuck at B1 level only. And after all these things, the result which you get is I understand German but I can't speak, and that's a fake progress. Let's discuss skill by skill time breakdown. To reach B2, you need vocabulary of 5,000 to 6,000 words. For grammar, you should cover all tenses, passive voice, conjunctive zwei, relative clause, prepositions and cases. For speaking, you should have minimum 100 to 150 hours of real speaking. For writing, you should write at least 40 to 60 essays or emails. And for listening, 200-hour German video is must. The perfect daily routine. If you can give 2 hours per day, then this routine is for you. Give 20 minutes for the grammar, then 20 minutes for vocabulary, 30 minutes for listening, 30 minutes for speaking, and for reading and writing 20 minutes. This gives you 60 hours per month, that means 720 hours per year, and that's how you can achieve B2 level in 12 months. Monthly roadmap which you can follow and keep a track of your learning. The first to 3 months you can give to A1. In A1 level, you learn basic grammar, daily speaking, and 100 words. Then for A2, you need next 4 to 6 months. In this, you will learn past tense, longer dialogues, and 2500 words. For B1, next 7 to 9 months, and in this, you will learn opinion speaking, news listening, writing emails. Then for the B2, that means the last months of the year, that is somewhere around 3 to 4 months, you will learn essay writing, debate speaking, and mock exam weekly according to B2 level. Mistakes which you need to avoid so that you don't increase your learning hours. The first one is only using Duolingo. You don't have to do that. Then not speaking, again that's a wrong idea. No writing practice, this is also not allowed. If you are not writing any mock test, then also it's a wrong step. And studying without the plan, the most worst mistake which you can do. The honest truth is you don't need talent, be in Germany, or expensive courses to learn German. You need consistency, speaking practice, writing practice, and getting feedbacks from your trainer.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.